Hello guys, today I will show you how to add affiliate products the best way to your Amazon website. Here we are on affiliateninja.com. I will put the link down in the description as well. This is a all-in-one Amazon affiliate plugin for WordPress. Here's a video actually, but let's explore the features. You can see here, increase your affiliate commission fast with affiliate product displays built to convert, like these ones. And here you got more examples. For example, you can show the pros and the cons very well, and like these tables, like this comparison, they will pick the right one. Here's step 1. You choose a done for you template you get from it. You enter your details for the product and then let Affiliate Ninja go to work. And that's exactly how to do it. There are 25 plus pre-made templates like these ones, and easy customizable, as you can see right here. It has an Amazon API integration for products. You can easily import it, and there's a friendly design, and you can save your own boxes as template. That's how to do it real easy. Let's go over the pricing. This is the plugin. For the single one you pay $4.95 per month. So that's about one sale on the website, not even, I think. If you get one sale, you're already in profit. For this tool, you can use it on one site with this bundle, access to all features, unlimited support, and 1 year of updates. For 5 sites you pay $9.95 per month, and for 20 you pay $14.95 a month. And that is actually all you need to know. If you have any question, please leave them below. I will put the link down in the description. It is an affiliate link, but you would really help me out if you use it, but of course you don't have to. Thank you for watching, have a great day, and goodbye.